Welcome to another CreatorCo tutorial. I never thought I would be doing one again, but this time we're doing it about our own app. So, Studio. It's a new platform for you to build your blogging community. But I'm not going to chat about it forever. Let me just show you how it works. So, when you start off, you can click on Studio. Once you're here, you can choose from the many different platforms. We have a general one, a news one, a business one, a political one, a fashion one, an art one, and these will be going on for a long, long time, and more will be added every single day as there is demand growing. So, let's say you want to start blogging. Well, first, let's make an identity behind yourself. To do that, you're going to click right here and then you're going to click My Profile. Once you're there, your profile will pop up. Most likely, it'll be empty. To edit it, you can click right here on Edit Profile, and here you can change the image of your profile, the background image, which I will need to change to, as though it's gotten kind of pixelated. And once you're done, you can just press Confirm, and CreatorCo will tell you that your profile has been updated. Here below, you will have all the posts that you have already posted. So, but most likely you won't have any posted yet. So, let's get to posting. Before you do post, remember to read the rules and guidelines, as those will be followed and moderated by every moderator that is on the platform. Let's say you have something to talk about in the news. Well, just click on the news icon and create a new post. You're going to start off by giving the post a title. For example, what's something going on in the news today? Let's talk about the Olympics. Boom, you have a title and it's out there. Use different blogging tips from other resources to figure out what your title should be. Your title space is limited by character count, but your blogging space is not. So, let's get to blogging. Well, let's talk about the Olympics. So, Olympics in the year 2018 are happening in South Korea. And you can continue on and talk about different issues that are going on and many different things that are happening, but I'm not going to bore you with that. So let's just show you the other features. So once you have your article written, you can add a photo. Let's say you want to add one about this, let's say that this has something to do with the Olympics. Well, you can add it, and then up here, it'll show how you want to edit it or how do you want to customize it. You can move it up. It's kind of glitchy, but it should work. The more text you have, I'll show you in a previous example. You can move it to the side, you can make it bigger, smaller, even smaller, or you can delete it or rotate it. Oh, no, I'm sorry. I don't even know my own program. You can switch it out. You can add more than one photo, of course, or you can add a video. To add a video, you just click the video icon and copy or paste a link from YouTube. Once you're done, you can click Publish. To manage your post, you can either share it through Facebook, Twitter, Google+, or get a link to it. You can see how many likes you get on the post, how many views, and how many comments. This is the analytics portion, which can be very important to understanding how your blog works and what people like. To delete a post, you can just click up here on the 3 icon, and you can press Edit Post, Pin Post, disable commenting, move to a category, delete. Some of these I have access to because I'm a moderator, although some you might not have. If you want to comment on a post, you can go right ahead and do that by clicking on a post. You can see how many views you have, you can share it, and see I already have commented. But let's talk about a already blog example. Like here, we have one about the Florida shooting, which happened so sadly. And see, it has a nice format with a picture, a lot of text. This one was originally found from Lapsus, but you get the idea of how it works. So yes, we encourage you to try out our program. The notifications can be up here about you, the people that you follow, the things that you have said, or how people interact with your posts. Here, you can see the different members that are out here, follow them, unfollow them, see what their posts are. Let's, for example, see Alexandra Shkoda. She's a moderator. She mostly posted pictures. Or you can look up some different things. For example, let's look up LGBT. And boom, it comes up. Whatever posts have that in it, it'll come up. You can also do hashtags. Currently, we don't have any. But if, for example, let's say that there was, you can just type hashtag love. It'll search for them. And if none are found, it'll just display all of the posts that are on the website. But hey, try using hashtags and see what you can do. We really encourage you to use the blog and see the amazing things that you can do. Because you are amazing, and show who you are. Express your opinion. Put a stand on what you believe in. Thank you for using Studio, and visit us at www.creatorco.org. Thank you.